मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 7, Science and Technology. Question 1. A. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. 1. Dash dash was named as the first chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. Options are Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Homi Setna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Raja Ramanna. Dr. Homi Bhabha. Dr. Homi Bhabha was named as the first chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. 2. Dash was the first completely indigenous communication satellite made by ISRO. Options are Aryabhatta, INSAT 1B, Rohini 75, Apple. Apple was the first completely indigenous communication satellite made by ISRO. Question 1b. Identify the wrong pair. 1. Prithvi, surface to surface ballistic missile. 2. Agni, surface to underwater ballistic missile. 3. Akash, from surface to air attacking missile. 4. Nag, anti-tank missile. Answer. Wrong pair is Agni, surface to underwater ballistic missile. Correct pair is Agni, surface to surface ballistic missile. Number 2. A. Prepare a timeline of the progress of India in science and technology. So the years are 1961 to 1970, 1971 to 1980, 1980 to 1990, and 1991 to 2000. So in year 1961, India's first successful rocket was launched. In 1974, India's first successful nuclear test. In 1975, India's first satellite Aryabhatta launched in space. In 1981, successful launch of Bhaskar 2. In 1984, computerization of railway reservation was done. And in 2000, restructuring of the Department of Telecommunications. Question number 2b. Explain the following concepts. 1. Space research. Answer. 1. In 1961, Indian National Committee for Space Research, that is NCSR, launched India's first research rocket from Thumba in the state of Kerala. 2. In 1969, our indigenously built rocket Rohini 75 was successfully launched. 3. The next stage was the successful launch of the first Indian satellite Aryabhatta in 1975 with the help from the Soviet Russia. 4. Indian scientists were confident that they could acquire the technology for sending a message from the Earth station and to access the working of the satellite. 2. Telex service. Answer. 1. Telex International Message Transfer Service, consisting of a network of teleprinters connected by a system of switched exchanges. 2. Subscribers to a telex service can exchange textual communications and data directly and securely with one another. 3. The Department of Telecommunications under the Ministry of Communications started the telex service in 1963 to transmit typed messages from one part of the country to another rapidly. 4. With the rise of Internet after 1990, the significance of this service reduced. Question number 3. Explain the following with reasons. 1. Pandit Nehru established the Atomic Energy Commission. Answer. 1. India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, wanted to nurture a scientific temper and bring about the nation's progress. 2. The objectives of the commission were to produce electricity from atomic energy. Therefore, Pandit Nehru established the Atomic Energy Commission. 2. India decided to conduct nuclear tests. Answer. 1. There was a lot of stress on improving, strengthening India's defense. 2. The conflict with Pakistan, creation of Bangladesh and conflict with China, so it was necessary to improve nuclear capability. 3. China's nuclear capability and Pakistan was desperate to acquire nuclear weapons with China's help. Therefore, to win those challenges, India decided to conduct nuclear tests. 3. USA imposed economic sanctions on India. Answer. 1. India carried out second nuclear test to prove its nuclear preparedness. India acquired nuclear capability and developed missile program and also joined the ranks of the nuclear powers. 2. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee assured that there would be no first use of nuclear weapons by India. Therefore, to pause India's nuclear program, the USA imposed economic sanctions on India. Question number 4. Write the answers in 25 to 30 words. 1. Write about Pokhran nuclear test. Answer. 1. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi took the decision of carrying out nuclear explosion. 2. Pokhran was chosen on the basis of the required criteria for the location of the nuclear tests, far away from human settlement and no groundwater reserves. 3. India successfully performed her first nuclear test at Pokhran in Rajasthan on 18th May 1974 in consonance with the policy of using nuclear energy for peaceful purposes and for self-sufficiency. 4. Dr. Raja Ramanna, director of the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, played a major role in conducting this nuclear test. 2. For which sector was Bhaskar 1 satellite expected to be useful? Answer. 1. India launched remote sensing experimental satellite Bhaskar 1, the Soviet Union in 1979 in order to observe various things on the surface of the earth by remote sensing technology. 2. This remote sensing technology would be useful for India's development by regarding water bodies, mineral deposits and forecasting weather. 3. The photographs taken with the help of this technology about the bowels of the earth, environment and forests were important. Another area in which the information from this satellite was useful for oceanography. Question number 5. Write in brief. 1. Which of the everyday services are influenced by the satellite technology? Answer. 1. Day-to-day services which we use like telecommunication, internet, navigation, radio, television, defense security, etc. are influenced by the satellite technology. 2. The satellites have the role in our daily life services as the various technologies we use are connected or operating due to satellite. 3. Moreover, satellite internet is also one of the example as the satellites are used in it to connect with internet with the help of broadband data connection. 2. Why is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam called as the Missile Man? Answer. 1. India successfully tested the missile Prithvi and Agni. The entire world took note of India's program of developing nuclear missile indigenously. This missile development program was carried out under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Therefore, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is called as the Missile Man. 3. How one can do computerized reservation for rail travel? Answer. 1. Previously, reservation for rail travel could be done at the railway station or through agent. 2. In order to bring efficiency, accuracy and coordination in the reservation system in rail travel, computerized reservation system was started for the first time in Delhi in 1984. 3. Now with the advent of internet, anybody with an IRCTC account can book a ticket online from their computer or even mobile. 4. Write the key features of Konkan Railway. Answer. 1. Konkan Railway started in 1998. There are several records of technology to the credit of Konkan Railway. 2. It stretches over the 4 states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala over a distance of 760 kilometers. 3. There are 12 tunnels on this track. The 6.5 km tunnel at Karbude is the longest tunnel. 4. There are 179 big and 1819 small bridges on this track. 5. 2065.8 meter long bridge on river Sharavati near Hanover is the biggest. 6. The 64-meter tall bridge on river Panwal near Ratnagiri is India's tallest bridge. 7. For avoiding accidents on tracks that are prone to landslides, there are sensors fitted to the railway engines.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.